Welcome to this class. Now in this class we're gonna see how to play the chords of B major, the chords of C minor flat and E minor. Well, once more time, we're not doing the properly chords. We're doing the step 0. That is what we will prepare your hands to play all the chords. Okay? So, actually, the B major chord will not be that B major chord, but no worries about that. So, let's start by pressing the A major chord we already learned. To do the B major chord, the only thing you need to do is slide your finger 2 and 3 to the 3rd fret and to the 4th fret. That's all. Just like magic. It's easy. One more time. So, as you already know how to press the A major chord, just slide it till it gets to the 4th fret. That's all for B major. Now we can check the sound. Good sound. 3rd string now. Good sound. Now we can play it all. Make sure we're having actually the sounds. Do not play it if it's sounding like this. Try to work a little more on the chord to get the best sound. That's amazing. It's a beautiful chord. I love it. Well, let's move to C sharp minor or C minor sharp. No problem. Well, the only thing you're going to need to do is slide down your fingers once more to the 5th and 6th fret. That's all you need to do. And if you already know how to do the A major chord, the B major chord, you will have no problem with the C sharp minor. Because it's the same thing. The same way you got that good sounds on the E major chord, on the B major chord, you do the same work to get the great sound you already did with the other chords with the C sharp minor. It's a beautiful chord. I really love it. So we have A, skipping 1 fret, good fret 4, we have B, skipping 1 more fret, going to fret 6. We have C. You see? So A, B, C. And they sound so beautiful. I really love this sound. You can practice just moving through the chords. They have a beautiful sound. Well, now to do the E major chord, we're gonna start again on the A major, and you're gonna do this. As I said on the previous classes, when you do the E major chord, you have the 6th and the 5th strings open. You are not pressing them. So what you're gonna do is, we're gonna go 1 string above with each one of these fingers. So what you're gonna do to do that chord is, your finger 2 will move from the 4th string to the 5th string, and your finger 3 will move from the 3rd string to the 4th string. So that is what you need to do. You just move them 1 string above. And now we have only 1 open string here. My fingers are pressing here. It's better to see. My fingers are pressing 5th string and the 4th string. Okay, so one more time, we are on A major. On A major we have open 5th and open 6th string, and now we just go one string above and we got this chord here. Now we have open 1st, 2nd and 3rd string, and up here only the 6th string. Let's check the sound. Good sound. And the other string. Good. We have good sound. And now, at the first time, we're going to use the finger 1. And finger 1 will be on the 1st fret, 3rd string. So 1st fret, 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, and 1st fret, 3rd string. Let's check the sound. So you press 1st fret, 3rd string, and check the sound. Wow, it's a good sound. Let's check each one of them. 5th string. Oh, may get a better sound. You see, sometimes you get a little buzzy sound. Try to press it a little more. Great sound. That is the sound we want. Let's go to the other string. Good. 4th string is good. Let's go to 3rd string. Great. Really great. So 5th, 4th, and 3rd. Good. We can play with the thumb or with the pick, no problem, with the back of the nail. Now let's check the other chords. Sorry, the other strings. Good, they're having good sound also. Sometimes it may sound like this. That's because I'm touching with my finger 1 on the other string, so it's sounding muting like this. Just raise a little bit your finger and you'll have a great sound. Beautiful chord. And that is properly the E major chord, okay? So for this class we have A, we have B, and C sharp minor, and then we have the A major chord. To practice then, we have one specific audio. To each one of them is the same thing as we did on the A major chord. So just put the B major chord audio and do the same exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, holds, 2, 3, 4, and so on to B major. Do the same thing to C major, C minor sharp, and do the same thing for E major, okay? I think that audio will help you a lot to get a great sound, to have fun playing this first chords. And okay, that's all we're gonna need for the first songs. Hope you're liking to play the guitar. Hope you're liking the course. If you have any question, don't forget, just make your question on the comment sections. And count on me. Okay, that's all. See you by the next class.